Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix Instagram photos after posting them. So basically we will see how we can change the order of our photos even after posting it. So unfortunately the thing is that we can only change the order when there are more than 3 photos in our post. So in this one, all we have to do is just click on the 3 dots on the top of the right hand side of the post and then click on edit option, and here you will be able to see this option of trash right on the left hand side on the top, and you just have to delete it. Suppose I want this slide to be at the very last, so I will just delete it and then just confirm it. Then there will be just two photos left in this post. So what I will do is just I will go to my profile and then click on the three lines on the top right, then click on your activity option, and here I will just scroll down, and here I will be able to see this option of recently deleted. Just click on it and the recently deleted post will appear over here, and all we have to do is just restore it, and after restoring it, it will appear at the very last of this post. So this way you will be able to change the order of particular photos in your post, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.